Okay, so this is week 5 for activity number 3. The objective is to investigate the process of separating mixture through floatation. Okay, so the materials needed is 3 bases, mixture of cooking oil and water, mixture of dry leaves, rocks and water, mixture of rice grains, crushed styrofoam and water. Okay, so the procedure: place all the materials on the table, and then on the first basin, so in this activity I used a plastic bowl instead of basin. So the first basin, put the mixture of cooking oil and water and stir. The cooking oil, water, stir. Next, on the second basin, put the mixture of dry leaves, rocks, and water and stir. Dry leaves, rock, and then water. Next, on the third basin, put the mixture of rice grain, crushed styrofoam, and water. Rice grain, crushed styrofoam, then water. Okay.